Hi, now we are going to see surface finish, high speed pencil toolpath. Pencil toolpath only machine the corner. The difference between the pencil toolpath here and normal toolpath is similar, but then high speed toolpath, the lead in lead out conditions are little different. It means entry and exit. Hmm. The you can make your so now I'll select the surface and selection. I'll select the containment boundary. Tool, file tool I have taken. I just switch on the holder. I have selected the holder. Here there is a cutting method. Here you can give us a pass, step over pass. So I keep 0.25. Automatically the scalapoid changes. So this is the minimum number of offsets. So 5 mm tool I have given 5.5 as a reference diameter. Suppose I will give reference diameter 3. So if you give number of passes based on that, the reference diameter will change. So if you modify and it will, you need to give the overall thickness. So you need to provide the thickness here. I will give a thickness 2 mm, overall thickness. It means that how much finishing material you are keeping, that you can consider and give. So now it is calculating. So this is the number of passes. And just I am counting the number of passes. It shows 13 passes. So how it is 13? Left hand side 6, right hand side 6 and center 1. So that's a 13 passes. So I will give 2 passes. Let us see how many passes it generates. It means left hand side 2, right hand side 2 and center 1 passes. Total it should generate 5 passes. This is only corner strategy. It will machine only on the corner. Okay. Now you can see there's a 5 passes it has done. This is the you can see reduce the retractions. Even you can change the cutting transition method. Here that parameter also you can modify. So we can by restricting there you will get the very less retractions. Here you can see that how lead in and lead out is taking place. You can see that lead in and lead out, the red color one is the lead in. Smooth entry and smooth exit will be there. So functionally, this and the normal toolpath are similar, but in old toolpath this entry conditions is different, but here in high speed different. You can give number of passes, reference diameter, automatically it will consider. You can give a previous cutter diameter and automatically it will calculate. Uh, what is bitangency angle? This is naturally um, when the two surfaces intersects, automatically it will calculate. This bitangency is for the calculation purpose. So we are saying 165 degree when the two surfaces are meeting, you can calculate only on that area, not on other area you don't go for the calculation. If you want to see, you can check in the parameter, open and see. So this is a bitangency. Specify how the shallow corner angle between two surfaces due to the order the master cam cutting passes uses the prevent cutting passes wherever the transaction between the surfaces flat or nearly flat application. Okay, this is only for the calculation. You no need to do anything here. You can change the stock. You can review the reference diameter and the step over you can modify. You can change the transition. Other than that, you can change the cutting method here. These are the tabs you can modify in the pencil toolpath. This toolpath is only for the corner strategy machining. Okay, thank you.